Unit 14. Choosing a movie.
Wow. This sure is a big theater.
Yeah, they have 10 movie screens.
Do you want to see every movie?
I don't think so. I think one movie is enough.
What's this about? Iron Ladies 2.
Oh, that's a foreign film. It's about a transsexual volleyball team. I've seen it.
Well, how about The Trek? Have you seen The Trek?
Not yet.
It's an action movie.
Yeah, I want to see that too. Oh, but it's not out yet.
Oh, yeah, coming soon. Have you seen Our Two Hearts?
What's that about?
Oh, it's a love story about this man and this woman, and they're walking in
Enough. If it's a love story, I don't want to watch it.
Why not? They're so sad and romantic.
That's right. And the last time we watched a love story, you cried.
I remember that. That was such a good story.
Let's watch a comedy.
Okay, I like to laugh. How about Fool School?
I read about that in the newspaper.
It's supposed to be very funny.
Okay, let's watch Full School.
But we better hurry. It starts in 10 minutes.
Perfect. Just enough time to get tickets and to go to the snack bar.